we're going on a road trip!
Sophia! Yes! Food vlogger ka na ba? Ha? Ang laki ng tinaba mo!
Hi, ako po si Jelly de Belen. I play the role of Maricar, isang napaka-straightforward, brutally honest, outspoken, and crazy friend of the four. It's a story about friendship. In life, marami tayong pinagdadaanan. Minsan talagang kailangan natin ng karamay, and usually, friends din ang kasama natin dyan. Pero friendship here is parang you don't take it for granted. It's something that you cherish and work on. And basically, yun ang gusto naming ikwento sa road trip. It's one of the most challenging movies I've ever done in my life. Physically, but it's beautiful. You get to see Mount Pulag, wonders of the Philippines, things that we all take for granted, ma-appreciate mo siya dito. Of course, it was so much fun. Fun because I was working with my bestest friends, my sister, and then another good friend, si Derek. And, I was familiar with everybody here on the set. So, it was fun. It was hard. Physically taxing. Pero, I think it's worth it.
Iba yung ugali namin. Sakto lang kasi kailangan din naman namin ng bawat isa.
Hi, I'm Janice de Belen. I play Gigi. Si Gigi, yung pinakamatanda sa aming magkakaibigan. Si Gigi is people pleaser siya. People pleaser siya. Gusto niya okay lang lahat. Tsaka parang wala lang. She just says yes sa mga bagay-bagay kasi ibigan niya eh. And then she realizes sarili pala niya ang nakakalimutan ng isipin. I think it's not just one character na similar sa akin. I think lahat kami, we are a bit of each of the characters. Okay? There are people who are born to be outdoorsy, who will enjoy going up the mountains, who will enjoy the beach. So, totohanin ko kayo, hindi ako yun. But because it's Candy, it's Jelly, and it's Carmina, diba? Gagawin mo yun. Gagawin mo na sabay-sabay. Kasi it's an experience that you'll have together. You will not all live with the same feelings, but yung enjoyment and yung trying to go through it together, yun ang pinakamaganda sa lahat. The road trip kasi, you only do it with people that you care for, people who you consider friends or people you love. Kasi ang road trip talaga, matatry niya ang patience mo, matatry niya yung patience ang pinaka-importante, matatry niya ang patience ng katawan mo, kasi hindi siya madali. Kasi in real life, kahit naman kami, pag nagbabakasyon kami, sa umpisa ng bakasyon, exciting. Pag pa-uwi, parang masungit na kayo sa isa't isa kasi pagod na kayo. So, I guess it's real. But you know what? Kailangan talaga ma-enjoy mo siya kasama yung mga taong mahal.
Hello, I'm Carmina Villaruel and I play the role of Chiki. Ayan, si Chiki po ay galing sa mayamang pamilya, tapos may asawa, happy naman siya. Yun nga lang, masyado siyang masunurin sa kanyang mga magulang, very obedient, yes lang ng yes, walang desisyon. Very memorable itong trip na to. Ang dami kong mga experiences dito, ang dami kong emosyon. Masaya, excited, galit, tinis, pikon, natutuwa, ang dami, mixed emotions, very memorable experience, not only for me, but for all of us. At saka yung grupo namin, yung magkakaibigan, kasi ngayon lang talaga namin nagawa to. So, dala-dala na namin ito hanggang sa pagtanda namin. Pag-uusapan pa rin namin, pagtatawanan na lang namin ito. Ang saya, buti na lang magaang lahat, mabuti lang si Direk Ando yung nag-direct, kasi nga kaibigan din namin. Tapos wala kami problema sa staff, sa crew. So lahat kami damay-damay. Kung nahihirapan ng isa, nahihirapan ng lahat. Pero since ginusto namin to, na-excite din kami, It's also a blessing na nagsama-sama kami lahat dito. So, enjoy naman siya. Enjoy siya talaga. Although nakakapagod. Pero okay na rin. Worth it talaga.
Bibigyan ako ng galit! Ang aarte nyo! Ang dami nyong reklamo! Ang dami nyong ganda!
I'm Kenny Pangilinan and I play Sofia. Si Sofia is the bossy character here. Siya yung parang pa-leader ng group, yung ganon. Ano siya, very independent woman, single independent woman. Yeah, very strong personality. It started with the dream of having a film together, magkakaibigan. Wanting to be together. Sana magkaroon tayo na magkakasama tayo. Yung gano'n lang, yung simple ganun lang. It's a journey for everyone. Everybody has their own journey, diba? Everybody has their own steps. I just hope when they go out, after watching this film, I just really hope you realize that there's so many things that you have to be grateful and thankful for.
Kaya naman itong trip natin kung hindi natin mag-document, diba?